Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to actually start a brand new series on this channel where we're going to stake money in BEEFY again. I used to do this back in the day, but unfortunately I had to use the funds to just, get by. But for now, I think we're fine. So we're going to do this again. So back in the day, I used to stake every week $100. I don't have that money anymore. So right now we're going to stake $50 maybe a month or so and see how this is going to go. Guys, honestly, I'm still a bigger fan of this one right here, BEEFY. You can see I have quite a bit of funds in here. Our monthly profit at the moment is $40. The main reason is because you actually get paid in a different coin. So whether you want to withdraw it per month, your monthly income, for example, this $40, or whether you want to stake it again, you can ultimately decide. Where a project like BEEFY, which is also great, the problem with BEEFY is it takes your daily accumulation, but instead of you claiming it, it will get back into the project where you stake the money in the first place. So there's less, how can I say it, you can't really withdraw it. So you can withdraw it unless you like withdraw everything or a portion or whatever. But ultimately, this is where you're going to just stake for long term if that's the case. So we're going to do that right now. I have a little bit of ETH here in my BNB wallet. So I'll just click on BNB chain so that only the BNB chain will show up. I have ETH in my wallet. So I'm going to just stake about 50 ETH. And I think this one right here gives 70% APR. So I'm going to just take this one right here. And then we just have to wait for this one on the right side to load here, the BEEFY icon. So I'm going to just click on refresh. And hopefully it works now. There we go. So now you can select your coin here. Either you can do the liquidity or you could select which coin you want to use. I'm going to just click on ETH here because I have about $50 worth of ETH. And I'm going to just scroll this bar until we're as close to as we can to $50. $50.06. I'll take that. Maybe if we take a few symbols out here. Okay, so change this one to 2. So it's 1918. There we go. Exactly $50. There we go. We want to be as close to it as we possibly can. Now, I don't know why this is not loading at the bottom here. It's kind of annoying. So it shows here after deductions, we are not exactly on $50. And it's because creating the liquidity will cost you some money also. So I'm going to just drag this a little bit to the right. Hopefully we can actually get this. There we go. We're as close as we can to $50 right now. So it's going to be AETH WBNB that we're going to deposit here. So it's going to swap the ETH to BNB. Then it's going to stake it. It's swapping it in 1 inch. Then it builds the liquidity. So then it groups them up together. And then it will deposit them. And then, yeah. So we're just going to say confirm here. And we'll just have to confirm everything that pops up. So I'm going to just do this quickly. So then this pops up saying that deposit confirmed, and now it should be inside the wallet. So if I go back to vaults now, we should see, hey, we got $50 deposited here, or as close to as possible as $50 as we can get. Our monthly yield is going to be $2, so we get 7 cents per day. And like I said before, the 7 cents will go into this deposited again, and it will keep on accumulating it within itself. So it says average APY instead of APR. That's why. It's because if you stake it for a full year, this is the average percentage you should receive. And we're going to just keep on doing this maybe once a week, maybe once a month. I don't know how often I'll have like $50 laying around. But we're going to build up this account here. I was talking to one of my viewers and he said like he missed the series and we should think of, pulling this up again. So I think we'll do just that. We'll make a new BEEFY profile here. And it's exactly 0 because my other account was hacked, if you guys don't know. And so we'll just keep it here and see how it goes over time. And hopefully we can make some series again for you guys out of this. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this. If you did, smash that like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.